Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds. We're here in Tahuna. We've got another fantastic day. We've had the sun, we've had the rain, we've got the wind. We've been on site a few times. We've had Mark that we could probably fash up. He's been checking on the roofing that the team have been doing. I was here, we've seen STS drainage. They've done a great job hooking up the down pipes and that. But this morning we've had a great meeting, so I'll say hey, Philip.
Hello, how are you?
Good. Quinton.
Hey, how's it?
Good man, good. We've just had the tick of approval from Matamapiako District Council, so we're getting our COC for the building. We've got a few little touch-ups we're going to finish up in there anyway. Concrete paths and ply on the walls and that. But yeah, we're just saying, it's been 7 months since we signed the contract to do this, and now everything's by and large done. How have you found it, Philip?
Looking at what's been produced, I mean, we're absolutely pleased with the result. The hard work and dedication from Waikato Sheds with Jason's team. It looks amazing. We can't believe it's exceeded our expectations. Our whole community, our parents, our staff, our children just think it's absolutely awesome, and we can't wait to use it soon. We feel so lucky.
I'm stoked that we've been able to deliver it for the community. It's actually been really cool. Quinton's been with us 7 months since we've worked side by side on this project, so it's been great. We've had great help from the Futura guys, the engineering from Core 50, then STS drainage from Morrinsville, Bowers Concrete, JWI doing it, then Ryan Ludaway and Tape, man, awesome work doing the whole structure. Then our old mate Sean from Roofing Industries and that. But a couple of thoughts on the project before we go and see some more exciting kids.
Yeah, to have this up and done in 7 months is pretty impressive, I think, and it's just credit to all the people Jace mentioned helping us out, and just stoked to see what we've produced for the school. I was speaking to a few kids before, and they were super excited and happy that they've got something now that they can go play under in all weather, and they're really looking forward to it. They're very impressed with the big structure that it all is, and really excited. So great to have Code of Compliance now signed off pretty much and approved today. It's a great milestone to achieve at the end of the year, just before the holidays and Christmas period. So I'm excited to go chat to some kids and see what they think.
I'll just note that we did, when we first were standing here, our intention was to have this finished for Christmas, and we are doing an assembly, but we've come up, well, it wasn't me, Philip's come up with the idea is that we'll instead do it, and we could do it, but we're going to switch it around to a grand opening we're going to do next year.
Absolutely, we want to invite everyone that's been involved, sponsors, tradies, builders, everyone that's been involved. In about mid-February, we're going to have a grand opening, and we're looking forward to it.
Yeah, so that's going to be awesome. Even the council, we found Matamapiako District Council, they've been great to deal with. So from the people in the office processing it, they helped us out with the resource application and that, and they said, hey, look, we can waive some fees and that. So they understood this is a community project in the school, so that's great. They get a lot of flack, but they've been cool. Awesome, let's go find some kids. Awesome, so we've got some of the leavers, year 6 here. We've seen Rebecca before, but Rebecca, Eva, Jethro, good to see you, Eddie. I have first off Rebecca, and then Leah sent me a lovely letters, so that was very appreciative. I was very thankful for it. But you've watched the progress going to happen. I'm going to pass you the mic. What do you think of it now that we've got the finished product?
It's an amazing addition to our school. It's really big, and I can't wait to use it with all the other kids. Yeah, it's better than being in class on a rainy day. We'll be able to go under and play sport and stuff, and maybe have assemblies under there. Yeah,
really and what do you boys think? What do you think, Jethro?
I think it's really cool, and I wish I could play under it.
Nice. And you, Edie?
It's nice because then we don't get sunburn under the turf.
That's it. Yeah, all weather, that's it.
Lovely letter to us and the team at Waikato Sheds. So we can flash that up. That's it. And then another one from Leah, which I greatly appreciate. I love getting these things. It makes me feel warm. And I think it was just really impressive, all the guys. And I mean, a big shout out, we've done some work, but definitely Ryan, Tate, Leaderway, they done a huge job building it, the concreters, the site works guys, the drainage, the team, all of them, they've been working hard. So we've been impressed with if the team's been working hard enough, you think?
Yes, they've been working really hard. They deserve a big break, a summer break.
Yeah. What do you think they'll want for Christmas?
Some more work gear, like boots and some sun hats, because it gets really hot.
Nice.
That's
I think
it.
so.
Yeah.
What else? What do you guys want for Christmas? What are you looking forward to doing?
I honestly just want to spend time with family this Christmas.
Oh, that's how we want.
What an answer. How about you, Jethro?
I'm gonna hang out with family as well. Yeah.
Oh, nice. And you, Eddie?
Probably the same, hang out with my family and hopefully spend some time with my friends.
Nice. Yeah, that's it. Lots of time with family and friends, that's the one.
That's it. What great Kiwi kids. We love it. It's the time of the year. Spend it with the family and that. So we've got some stuff we're going to give to these guys and the other kids and that. But we're stoked with how it is. End of the year. Great projects. Why don't we all finish it? We know it's great sheds done right. But why don't we finish with a big Merry Christmas all together for everybody out there? Are we ready? All right. On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Merry Christmas!